Hey guys, good morning. I'm in my corner. I'm in a good mood, as you can tell. So it's day 9 of my Daniel fast. Tomorrow is day 10. Like, I could be finishing tomorrow, could be my last day, but we're not doing that. But I'm excited to get to tomorrow, to finish tomorrow. I'm drinking some tea. This is coconut husk tea. Interesting. Just feeling it going down. And I'm warming up I'm steaming my ackee and my breadfruit. Not gonna do any planting this morning just because I can't be bothered. I'm hungry. It's didn't tell you guys the time. It's 8:40 a.m. So I'm hungry. I've been up from probably 5:30-ish. Okay, so it's now 9:21 and I just started eating. Why? My mom called me and then I guess I just kind of got carried away with work. Sorry, my bad. I left a piece of the breadfruit, so I probably don't need to boil any bananas or yams. I probably just do a chocho and the rest of the breadfruit. For lunch, picking up baby K today. So probably have not for lunch, for dinner. So I'll have some fruits before I go pick him up. To turn on bite me over so I can eat closer to 5 o'clock. So I don't end up being hungry in the night. But I'm not having any nighttime munchies. That's good. Because I usually would have those. But I haven't been having any of those since I started the fast. So I hope that is something that stays even after I come off of the fast because the nighttime munchies add up. Alright, so anyhow, I'm gonna finish eating and then get some work done. And then I'll see you guys back when I'm eating my fruits before I leave to pick up baby K. Guys, it's 1:30. When I eat not yet. Spinning around like crazy. Had some clothes on the line, took them up, clean up in the living room, one bag of things. And then I had to shower because I was sweating like a pig. So I just came out of the shower and then somebody called me and tell me, say them send money to me by mistake. So I have to stop and go send them back the money because they want to pay for something like that. Anyhow, so I'm going to eat my 2 apples now and drink my coconut water and eat a piece of coconut. Hold on, let me show you. Coconut water, 2 apples. Them look like they've been through a lot because they have been. I just like going to pick fruits off a tree, people. They fall, they get dented and all kinds of things. And then, the lady here asked me if you can take one call. Right, the time I asked me if you can take one call, just tell me what you want, no girl. Please, I beg you. I eat a little piece of coconut here. That's my little midday meal or midday snack. That's gonna be it. So, see you at dinner time. Baby K is sleeping. Hungry kill me. So I'm trying to do this black bean burger that I have that I totally forgot that I bought. So it's all, there's no weird ingredients in there. So it's processed, but it's not processed with additional stuff. So you can actually see the beans and the other stuff in there. And I'm glad I found it because I feel like my stuff. I feel like the pak choi alone wasn't going to do it today. I didn't have any beans today. Did I have beans yesterday? I don't remember what I ate yesterday. I would have to go and watch the video. But yes, I'm glad that I found that. I actually found it in the freezer because I went to go take out something to make their dinner. And I said, oh, I have this. So I took it out and I started the pak choi already. So I just opened the pot and put it underneath the pak choi. And then we go just leave it, make it cook in there like that. All right, so here is dinner. That's the burger. It's just mush, really. Let me see if I can show you. So you see, it's just like the process. They put everything in a food processor and then they just form the patty. I could make this at home. It's on the dry side, but it tastes good. Let me see what time it is. It's 10 minutes to 5. When I finish eating, I'll wake up that little boy. So, how am I feeling? Guys, can I tell you? I don't like fish, right? I'll eat salmon. If I have to choose to eat a fish, it's gonna be salmon. But other than that, you know, you hear me talk about my feeling for fish. Not me. If it was up to me alone, fish wouldn't buy, fish wouldn't eat. Not me today craving some fish. Like I would just eat a piece of fried fish. A nice, dry, fried, dry, nice piece of fish. What's that about? I don't know. But apart from that, today I was thinking about how I'm going to come off of the fast. I don't want to just come off and start eating everything again. So I was saying that I'll come off like by adding, as I say, I'm getting a coffee the very first day off of it, and then I'll add meat, but I think I'm gonna stay away from the processed carbs as much as possible. I'm probably limit myself to a treat a couple times a week, but I'm gonna try and stay away from bread and flour and all that stuff. It's gonna be hard, but I'm gonna try and ease back into eating those things, but at the same time being mindful and not eating too much of them. So definitely the first day after the fast, think I'm going to have I have a hair appointment that day. So I think what I'm gonna eat for lunch. I was thinking about all of that. And yeah, that's where the headspace is today. So as I said, excited. I'm so close to day 10 and it's already halfway there. I'm proud of myself, bad. So, and I'm seeing more and more where like nothing wrong with this. It can work. In addition to adding back proteins in that probably that first week or so, I'll add in some processed and plant-based stuff as well. But I'm not gonna dive directly into just having caffeine and alcohol and dairy and meat and every kind of nice thing the day after. I'm gonna take my time and ease into it and not overdo it and not do anything that doesn't feel right. So yeah, that's my little commentary for day, what's it, day 9? I don't remember which day fast, and that is it for my day, guys. Thanks so much for being here and for supporting since I started the journey. Thanks so much for your likes and your comments. I appreciate it. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 10.
I'm really on fire tonight.